Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in. Good. First, open Settings or System Preferences on Mac and verify iCloud Photos is toggled on. This syncs local shots to the cloud. Once done, make sure you're using the same Apple ID across devices because different ID mean different libraries. Check storage space so uploads won't stall. If low, pause and free up or buy extra iCloud GB. Now choose where to look. The Photos app on iPhone/Mac or iCloud. In a browser, we'll use that path next. Open the Photos app or iCloud. And start with the search field. You can type dates, place names, or keywords like beach. It's fast because Photos tags items automatically. Use albums to narrow down people, places, screenshots, or selfies. These are curated to save time. On iCloud. Use the filter icons and the top right account menu to switch library versions if you have multiple. If a photo seems missing, check recently deleted and the date ranges. Sometimes sync delays reorder things. When you find a photo, tap or click it and choose Add to Library or Download, iCloud. Gives you full resolution originals if needed. If new photos aren't appearing, force a sync. Toggle iCloud Photos off and back on, or sign out and back in. A quick restart can also nudge stalled uploads. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have enough iCloud storage. If things still go wrong, double-check that you're on the same Apple ID and inspect recently deleted. Most lost images live there for 30 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.